The top most critical risks for serverless applications. Serverless architectures, often known as FOS, or function as a service, allow businesses to create and deploy software and services without having to manage or provide any physical or virtual servers. Applications created utilizing serverless architectures may scale elastically as cloud workloads increase and are appropriate for a wide range of services. This large variety of off-site application architectures creates several attack surfaces that can be exploited to exploit flaws in the use of various APIs and HTTP. Today, a lot of businesses are investigating serverless architectures or are just getting started. To assist them in developing effective, safe, and trustworthy applications, let us discuss the most critical risks for serverless applications. 1. Function event data injection. 2. Broken authentication. 3. Insecure serverless deployment configuration. 4. Overprivileged function permissions and roles. 5. Inadequate function monitoring and logging. 6. Insecure third-party dependencies. 7. Insecure application secret storage. 8. Denial of service and financial resource exhaustion. 9. Serverless business logic manipulation. 10. Improper exception handling and verbose error messages. 11. Obsolete functions, cloud resources, and event triggers. 12. Cross-execution data persistency. For more such information, subscribe to our channel.